Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some exercises you can do to make your split jumps better and to practice them while you're not on the ice. So make sure that you're really stretched out before this and warmed up. So starting with the front leg first, bringing our arms into third. We're just going to lift the leg up and down, stretching it as much as we can here, just for 8. And then we're going to come for a more swinging Grandmaman action. Alright, so we're going to swing it a little bit back and then kick it up into a Grandmaman. We're not following specific ballet rules here. We're just trying to get this really fast, quick motion of the split jump. So if you lose your balance, that's totally fine, as you can see. And we're really trying to keep that leg stretched. Good. So just 8. Kind of shake it out. Take a break. Stretch your leg if you need to. And we're going to do the other side. This is really going to work your hip flexor, so make sure you stretch after this. So we're starting with just the leg lifts. Just up and down. Good, and let's swing it back and then forward. Swing it back and forward. You can stretch your arms here. We're just doing 8, but keep that leg stretched. Good. Stretch it out. Stretch that quad. Good, and we're going to come to the side, so arms out to the side, and we're going to repeat this all again. So just first lifting the leg up as high as you can without any swinging movement. So for me, it's up to the hip. Keeping that leg stretched. And let's swing it. So we're going to kind of swing it to the other side and then swing it back. Good. Just 8. Good. Last one. And release. Take a breather. Shake it out. Stretch it out. And let's do the other side. So just the small leg lifts first. And we're just slightly turning it out and keeping that leg super stretched. This is perfect for Russian splits. Alright guys, let's add that swing. So swinging it to the one side and then the other. And kicking it as fast and as high as we can. Good. Release. Shake it out. Come for another stretch. And we're going to take it to the back. So first, just the small leg lifts. Arms outstretched. One is in the back, one is in the front. And just lift it up. Stretching that leg. Pointing the toe. And we're going to come for a swinging action. So swing it forward and then kick it back. Good, and last one. And let's come for the other side and stretch it out again. And let's just lift it halfway. Posture is nice and straight here. And just try to find a spot where you can look at so you have a better balance. Good, and let's just swing it forward and then kick it back as high as we can. Trying to create this quickness. Good, and release. Take a moment to stretch. And we're going to come for spiral kicks. So we're just going to go and hold on to something. And we're just going to kick that leg up as high as we can, letting the upper body come a little bit lower. And just kick it and kick it. Just 8. Stretching the leg as much as we can. Good, and last one. And let's go to the other side right away. Hold on to something and let's kick it up. 3, 4, 5, keep going. We're We're almost done. And good. Release it. Shake it out. And let's stretch it out with a few quad stretches. So for the next exercise, you want to make sure you have a lot of room because we're going to come for some split jumps. And we're just going to start off with normal split jumps. And usually I do like 3 of them, and I do both sides. So really trying to kick those legs. And then I come for a Russian split, and again, keeping those legs super stretched, and I just do 3. Good, and that's it. So make sure you guys do the forward split jump both sides, and also make sure that you do some nice hip flexor stretches after this. And for now, we're just gonna come for our final quad stretches. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked that little tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!